In this video, I will show you how to view Tableau query. First, log into your Tableau account. Once you're in, you will see your dashboard or draft where your visualizations are displayed. Now, take a look at your chart and choose the data point or section that you want to explore further. Simply click on that part of the graph to highlight it. After that, right-click on the selected area and choose View Data from the drop-down menu. This will open a new pop-up window showing the detailed data behind that mark. From here, you can see the underlying numbers, records, and the actual query Tableau used to generate your visualization. You can also switch between the summary and full data tabs to view more details if needed. This feature is really helpful when you want to double-check your data accuracy or understand how Tableau processes your visual insights. And that's how to view Tableau query.